Hello everyone, this is Larry from Related Job. Today we're going to introduce hammer and draw bits. This hammer is called P110. This draw bits we call Russia type draw bits. The diameter of the draw bit is 110 centimeters. There are 15 buttons in the draw bit. The diameter of the buttons is 13. Okay. This draw bits, there are two flush holes here. The big one is here and the small one is here. The air pressure is come from this side and it come out from these four. Okay, this is a shape here, and we're gonna put this draw bits into this hammer. There are four keyboard in the hammers. Okay, we're gonna show how to put this draw bits into hammer. First, this side will match this ball and put in the middle, then turn right. And okay, this is finished. And then you can turn up. This is link a draw rod. So you can work. This is how Russia type draw bits and work with hammer. Thank you.